we're back again in ViaVia's cooking course, and today I will make corn fritter, or we usually call it Bakwan Jagung. Usually we eat Bakwan Jagung for snack and also for condiment, and it is also famous in Sulawesi. They call it Bakwan Jagung also. And now we will start to show you the ingredients. For the ingredients, I have 200 grams of all-purpose flour, and then 2 tablespoons of rice flour, and then here I have also water. Here I'm using about 100 milliliters of water, and then for the spices, and also corn, 1 corn, and then for the spice, I will use 3 garlic and 2 shallot. I will slice it later, and then I will crush in the mortar. And then also I have spring onion. Here I will use only 1 spring onion. And then for the dry ingredients, I have coriander. For coriander, I will use half teaspoon of coriander. I will put it here. And salt. To make easier to crush, I will add salt. Half teaspoon of salt here. And then I will slice the shallot and garlic, and then I will crush it later until fine. And then I will put it in the mortar, and then I crush the shallot and garlic until fine, and then I will put the spices in the dough together, also with the corn. In Indonesia, is very famous with the snack that is fried snack, and one of them is corn fritter itself. We can eat it anytime, in any occasion, or usually in the afternoon. You can have it with tea or coffee, or for condiments in the middle of your meal. Okay, I will put aside. And next I will peel off the corn. This, and then spring onion. Slice the spring onion into thin slice. And after that, I will put it in 1 bowl. So this is the all-purpose flour, and then I will add with 2 tablespoons of rice flour here, and the corn also. And spring onion here. And the spices. Here. And water. Put little by little. until the consistency of the batter becoming like this, and then it's ready to fry. For frying the corn fritter, it needs a lot of oil. So here I'm using about 300 milliliters of oil. I'm using cooking oil, regular cooking oil. Consistency of the batter becoming like this. Yeah. And now I will add about 300 milliliters of cooking oil here. For frying the corn fritter, use medium heat of fire. Like this, and it's ready to fry. After you see the bubbles into your oil, you can start to fry like this. Fry the batter until it's over, and fry the batter until it's turned into golden brown color, and then until if you see that the fritter is already golden brown, fry it until the batter is finished and the corn fritter is ready. Okay, after you finish all of the batter of the corn fritter, and then it's ready to be plated and it's ready to serve like this. And this is it, the corn fritter is already done, and usually Indonesians like to eat with chili, or you can eat it also with tomato ketchup or spicy sauce. So here we are, the corn fritter is easy and simple to cook, and you can make it anytime.